And today, in a 16-2 vote, an FDA advisory panel rejected a proposal to offer the Pfizer COVID booster shot for most Americans. Instead, the panel recommends that only those 65 and older and those at high risk get a third dose. Royce Jones is here with more on the decision and reaction from a local doctor. Royce.
Well, Ken, panel members based their decision on a series of data from Israel about how the third shot of the Pfizer vaccine impacted people 16 and older there. There were several points of contention from the panel. Some were reportedly frustrated over lack of data from researchers about how safe the booster was among that broad range of recipients. There were also questions raised about how the Israeli experience would mirror the U.S. experience. And before the vote even came down, the director of pharmacy for Allegheny General Hospital correctly predicted to me that the committee would likely suggest people ages 65 and older or those who are considered high risk receive a booster shot. And based on the Israel data, here's what he had to say about the safety of the shot for that population of patients.
The reactions, at least according to Israel data, the reactions are not much different from first to the second dose. So, we shouldn't expect anything unusual. If people tolerated the first and the second dose as well, they will be good with the booster doses as well.
And according to doctors, the Israel data does show value in booster shots, as researchers saw COVID hospitalizations going up 6 to 8 months after most people there were fully vaccinated, and noticed a dramatic decrease once boosters went out. However, panel members also pointed out that science has proven the unvaccinated are helping drive the Delta surge here, and to end the pandemic, the focus should be on getting those people their first and second doses, which are still highly effective against severe symptoms of COVID. The FDA itself has not yet made a decision about the Pfizer booster shot, and a CDC committee will meet next week to review the same data. Reporting live in the studio, Royce Jones, KDKA News.